At the University of Winchester, every module is provided with a space on the Canvas virtual learning environment. You can think of this space as a collection of web pages representing content areas and communication and collaboration tools. We refer to these spaces as Canvas courses. Now, in preparation for each new academic year, the TEL team create what we call course shells. We call them course shells because they're effectively blank courses ready for you to start to develop. Now, there are two ways in which these course shells can come about. If the module has never run before, if it's new, in other words, then the administrator will have asked for a template to have been applied when the course was created, and we'll have a quick look at that template in a moment. If this is a repeat module, if it has run in a previous year, you'll find that the course shell is completely blank. Why? Well, that's because we expect you to roll content over from the previous year, and you will import the template as part of that rollover process. And there's detailed guidance about that process of rolling over content on the Canvas page where you accessed this video. So I'm not going to go into that in any detail here. What I will do though, just before I finish, is show you what the template looks like. Now, don't worry about what I'm doing here. This isn't how you add the template. This is just a convenient way for me to do it. But this is the template. You'll see there's still quite a lot for you to do. You need to add information to this. You'll need to turn these buttons into links, and we'll look at how you do that in the next video on this page.